Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can appear offline on Instagram. So here, if you go to your direct message page on Instagram, you can know if someone is offline or online through here. And here, I'm going to show you how you can turn this off. So you can see like this person, you can see they're active like an hour ago or 6 hours ago or something. And if you want to turn this off so that your followers or your friends cannot know when you're online, here's how you're going to do it. First, you can go to your profile by clicking on your photo at the bottom right corner, and then go to the menu, the settings menu at the three lines icon at the top. Then scroll down until you find these messages and story replies. So tap on that, and here there will be the section who can see you are online, and this is the show activity status. You're going to click on that. Okay, so now my settings is currently on. So if it's on, it will allow accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you are less active or are currently active, which is online on Instagram app. So if you want to appear offline, you need to turn this off, so you won't be able to see the activity status of other accounts or vice versa. So let's turn this off, and now people cannot see if you're online on Instagram. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.